ApiJect has a great number of partners across our entire value chain, but specifically on the manufacturing side, we have two BFS operators that we've partnered with, one of which is the Ritedose Corporation in Columbia, South Carolina, and the other is Fareva at their Excel Vision facility in Annonay, France. And then Tai Chang Industrial is one of the largest needle hub manufacturers in the world, is our key supplier of all of our needle hub components. So TRC is a globally recognized, one of the largest blow-fill seal operators in the United States, and then also they do supply some goods for overseas, but they make blow-fill seal containers, which you can see here, and they're one of the largest in the US, and they make these components for us. They're another sort of well-known global blow-fill seal operator and manufacturer. They are adding 3 additional lines specific to the ApiJect platform, but they have another 7 to 10 lines that run their existing commercial blow-fill seal business and a couple of different indications and dosage forms. So they're another extremely reputable, extremely well-known BFS operator in the space.